If your nipples are sore, nipple cream can help. Make sure it has natural and biodegradable ingredients. The baby's head, neck, and spine should be in a straight line. Your baby should be so close to you that it doesn't have to turn its head, because that would make it pull on the nipple. Get your baby to open its mouth wide. Then, the whole nipple can fit into its mouth and doesn't rub on the palate or its tongue. Your baby's chin should be pointing slightly upwards. Otherwise, your baby would have to tilt its head forward and therefore wouldn't be able to swallow well while breastfeeding. Lastly, your baby's lips should be turned outwards. Otherwise, the lips will not close well around the breast, preventing the baby from creating a vacuum, which is important for a correct breastfeeding session.